If I was writing a quiz for our listeners, now this would be a question on the quiz. Well, don't worry, doctors, I'm not actually going to quiz you. And here's the fact that I want to share with you. 82% of all visitors to your website will be female. And she has a title in her family, and her title is mom. Yes. Mom's looking for a dentist for herself, for her spouse, for her family, for her mother, for her sister, for her coworker. Now, the second most visited page on your website, first most visited page is typically your homepage, but the second most visited page is about the doctor. And I'm going to encourage you, doctor, to take a look at your About the Doctor page and really make sure it represents you as well as it can. Make sure you have a professional photo on there. And by the way, if your photo looks like your driver's license photo mugshot, get rid of that photo because that isn't a very attractive photo. So here's a simple tip that you can use. Doctor, if you're married and have a family, include a current family photo. Have a nice professional bio, photo, of you, and then next to it, put a picture of the family. You and your spouse and your kids. Put a picture of your family. Now, how does that work in terms of liking, Naren, with mom?
Remember Gary mentioned at the beginning that we like people who are similar to us. So the fact that mom has a family and you have a family, she feels like you're one of us. You understand me. I think the reason we like people who we are similar to is we have something in common. And I think that's a place to start a relationship, to create a bond, something in common. So I think of course, they don't know that you have a family unless you tell them you have a family. And what's better way to tell them you have a family other than just put that beautiful family of yours? Like, for example, Life Smiles, both Paul and Tim has young families. When you go to the About the Doctor page for both Paul and Tim, you will see that picture of them with their beautiful families.
And to be fair, if you're not married, you can include photos of you doing activities and things you like to do. If you enjoy walking your dog, have a photo of you walking your dog. If you enjoy gardening, have a photo of you gardening. If you enjoy cooking, have a photo of you cooking. Because it will appeal to people who have similar things that they like.